Today we will see the sway analysis using the Kani's method. So as shown on the diagram, so as shown on the screen, there is a portal frame is there, having one end is fixed and another end is hinge support. Okay, and both the columns are of same length 6 meter, and there is a UDL of 20 kilonewton per meter is acting over the span of BC, which is treated as beam. Now in this case we have to first identify that whether this type of frame will be analyzed as a non-sway frame or sway frame. So it depends upon the various conditions. The first condition is that the external horizontal loading. So as shown, there is no external horizontal loading, but if you see, there is a support at D, which is a hinge support. So because of the hinge effect, the column will try to twist or will try to deflect in rightward direction. So because of this hinge support, this frame will be analyzed for the sway condition. So let us see step by step what we have to do. First of all, we have to calculate the fixed end moment. So the fixed end moment we have to see that. So first of all, fixed end moment for AB and BA will be equal to AB and BA. Similarly, CD and DC is equal to 0, as there is no external loading is acting. Similarly, for moment of BC, if you see, consider BC. So at BC, there is anti-clockwise moment will be formed. So force of the moment BC will be equal to minus WL square by 12. That is equal to 20 into 4 square by 12. If you solve, you will get the answer as a 26.67. Similarly, for CB, it will be equal to WL square by 12. So it will be 26.67 kilonewton meter. Now, next step is calculation of the rotation factor. So rotation factor, the formula for the rotation factor will be is equal to minus of half in bracket k divided by summation of k. This is the formula. So for this we have to form the table. Under this, joint B and C is there. If you see the diagram, joint B and C is there. Member connected is B and BA. That is BA and BC is there. BA and BC is there. At C, there is CB and CD is there. Now calculate the stiffness K. So K is equal to, first we consider the span of BA. If you see BA, A is the fixed support. Therefore, the formula will be I by L. That is I by L means 1 by 6. 1 by 6 equal to 0.16 I. Okay. Similarly, for BC, it will be equal to I by L, but here there is 2I is there, so therefore 2I by 4, that is equal to 2 by 4I, that is equal to 0.5I. Okay, summation of these two K factor will be equal to 0.66I. Similarly, for C, two members are connected, CB and CD. So for CB, 0.5I and CD. Now if you see CD, D is a hinge support, therefore I value will be equal to, therefore K value will be equal to 3 by 4 I by L. 3 by 4 into 1 by 6. Okay, 1 by 6, this 6 is the span is 3 by 4 into I by 6. So therefore equal to 0.125. So 0.5 plus 0.125, 0.625. Now summation of K is there. We just put the value and calculate the rotation factor for member BA and BC and CB and CD. So if you put this value, you will get the answer for rotation factor BA equal to minus 0.12, minus 0.37. Similarly for CB, minus 0.4, minus 0.10. Now next step is the calculation of displacement factor. So this is the additional step that will come under the sway analysis. So why displacement factor delta you have to calculate? Because of the effect of the sway, this column will try to move in this direction. The deflection will be like this, and here the deflection will be like this. So here this delta will be formed, and here this delta will be formed. Okay, so these delta will be formed under the deflection of the column only. There is no effect of deflection in the beam. Okay, so let us see how deflection delta will be calculated. So there is a standard formula for calculation of displacement is delta is equal to minus 3 by 2 kc divided by summation of ukc square. So let's see how this parameter will be calculated. Okay, so for this we have to draw the table. Under this we have to write column number 1 story. Story means how many multi-storied or single story portal frame is there. So there is only one portal frame is there, therefore we have to write story as 1. Then column member we have to write column number BA is there, column number CD is there. So BA and CD is there, we have to write under this. Then length, actual length 6 and 6, so length is there, 6 meter is there, and here 6 into 1.5. Why 1.5 you have to write? Because BA is 6 meter already is given. Okay, it is a fixed part, so therefore we have to consider this is a actual length. But here under CD there is a hinge support, so whenever the hinge support will come, then under the length factor we have to multiply it for hinge support. For the hinge supported span it should be 1.5. So 6 into 1.5, 9. Now next is LR. LR defined as a reference length, and reference length will be the maximum of these two lengths. So maximum will be this, out of 6 and 9, what will be the maximum? That is 9. So we have to consider LR as 9 always. Okay, next C. C is the formula. This is a factor of C. We have to, what is the formula? LR by L. LR by L. So LR by L, that is 9 by 6, that is equal to 1.5. Then 9 by 9 equal to 1 here. Next is U. U is the that is the constant factor, that is if the support is fixed. Okay, here BA is the fixed support. Okay, A is the fixed support, so you have to consider U as 1. If the support is hinge support, CD, if you see CD is the hinge support, then in that case you have to consider it as a factor as 3 by 4 always. Now next is K factor. K, already we have calculated the K factor. K factor of BA, K factor for BA we have already calculated, it is 0.16. So here 0.16 we have to write. Similarly for CD we have calculated the K factor as CD, that is 0.125. So we have to write 0.125 here. Okay, already we have this calculated this K factor in the previous step. Now next is only we have to just put this value, okay, in column and then try to solve the value of delta. Now 3 by 2 kc. Now we have to solve the numerator part first. So minus 3 by 2 kc, minus 3 by 2 we have to write multiplied by K factor into C factor. C is 1.5, so it will be equal to minus 0.36. Similarly for next part, minus 3 by 2 kc, that is equal to, okay, minus 3 by 2 k is 0.125 into C is 1, so 0.187 will be, I will be the answer. Okay, the next is last part, that is the numerator part, UKC square. So UKC, U is already 1, K is equal to 0.16, and C square, that is equal to 1.5 square, that is equal to 0.36i. Okay, similarly next part, UKC square, U is 3 by 4, K is 0.125, and C is equal to 1 square, so 0.093 will be the answer. Okay, then sum this value, because summation is required in denominator, so the summation of this value 0.36 and 0.093i, that is equal to summation, that is equal to 0.45i. Okay, now just put all this value and you will get minus 0.8 and minus 0.4 for the value of BA and CD. Now one important check is there, whether this delta value is right or wrong. We have to see one cross check you have to perform after solving this table. That is the check is that the summation of UC delta is equal to, must be equal to minus 1.5. Okay, UC delta means what? Summation, if you consider the BA part, so U is 1, then C is 1.5, and delta is equal to minus, already calculated, minus 0.8. Okay, so UC delta for BA is 1 into 1.5 into minus 0.8, plus C for CD value, it is 3 by 4, 1 into minus 0.4. So if you sum this value, it must be equal to minus 1.5. So whenever you solve the delta value, Okay, so you have to perform this check. Okay, and under this check the value must come as a minus 1.5. Okay, always remember, if your value will not come as a minus 1.5, then there will be some mistake in your calculations. Okay, so always remember this. Now next step is the calculation of story moment. Now as the horizontal force will be applied, or the column is under the deflection, so therefore the story moment will be formed. So the standard formula M is equal to PLR by 3. So P will be the equal to the nodal load. Here it will be 0. Why P will be equal to 0? Now definition of P is there. If horizontal load is applied at A, B, C or D, because A, B, C and D are defined as a nodal point. So if whenever horizontal load is applied at these nodal point, then and then only we have to use the value of P under this. Okay, but here in our numerical there is no nodal load, therefore we will treat it P as 0. So therefore finally if you put the value P is equal to 0, then finally the moment M will be equal to 0. Okay, next. Now next is the iteration process. As we already solved the iteration process for the various cases, here also we have to perform the iteration process. Okay, first of all what we have to do, initially you have to draw the table. Initially you have to draw this big rectangle, then a small rectangular all the side, then this value we have to write. Along with this we have to write this column. Okay, delta factor. We have already calculated delta factor for BA and CD, so you have to write this delta factor as an additional part in our Kani's diagram. So minus 0.18 for BA and minus 0.4 for CD, that we have already calculated in previous step. Now okay, then we have to write the fixed end moment that we have already calculated. AB it was 0, BA it was 0, okay, BC it was minus 26.67, CD it was 26.67, and okay, CB it was 26.67, and CD it was 0, and DC it was 0. Okay, so we have to write, and in the center we have to write one box, and under this we have to write the moment value. Okay, because all this value we required under the calculation of this column shear, under the column factor. Okay, now let us see the iteration process. Now then after writing this, what we have to do, you have to write the rotation moment. Okay, rotation moment we have to write rotation factor value that we have already calculated in step number 2. So BA was rotation factor for BA, it was minus 0.12, BC it was minus 0.37, BCB it was 0.4, and CD it was minus 0.1. Okay, after this, okay, you have to sum the value or sum the fixed end moment of the respective joint. At joint B, what are the moments? Minus 26.67 plus 0, these two value are there. Okay, so the summation of these two will be equal to minus 26.61. so you have to write the value in the center. Similarly at joint C, take the summation of the joint 26.67 plus 0, so it will be 26.67. so in the center you have to write that summed value that we have performed at the joint. Okay, at the joint. Now next is the iteration process. So here the iteration process is done. So in iteration number 1, what we have to do, iteration number 1 for BA. So let us consider the BA value. Okay, for BA, first of all we have to write minus 0.12, we have written minus 0.12. Then under this central value we have to write minus 26.67 plus, as the first iteration is there, what is the assumption? The far end value must be equal to 0. So here it will be considered as 0, here it will be considered as 0. So minus 0.12 multiplied by minus 26.67, it is equal to 3.2. Similarly for BC, okay, already BA is done. Then BC the rotation factor will be equal to minus 0.32 in bracket minus 26.67 plus 0, that is equal to 8.53, where it will be 8.53. so similarly this 3.2 value will comes for BA, and BC value it will come for 8.53. Now what we have to do, we have to perform the 3 iteration cycle. Okay, 3 iteration cycle we have to perform. The procedure is there already. Okay, we have done this type of iteration process in our first numerical, so you just refer that numerical. Okay, here what is the important part is that, okay, what is the important part is that we, after calculating this 4 iteration value, when the two values will come just come nearly equal, then in that case we have to stop the iteration. Okay, if you see BA 5.1, the two value will come exactly near, so it will be stop here. We will stop here 1 2 3 4. After fourth iteration we have to stop this. Here also two value will come, two value will come exactly same. Okay, now what is the role of this? What is the role of this 0.8 and 0.4 and 0? So the role is that we have to calculate the column value. Okay, so how the value of this we have to calculate, we have to just see that. Okay, so what we have to do? Okay, so let us see how this value will be calculated. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is, first value we have to consider the first value, this 3.2. Okay, so I write here 3 point, यहाँ नहीं लिखते अपन, यहाँ करेंगे. Let us see here, यहाँ करेंगे. Okay, यहाँ पे 3.2. okay, 3.2 this value multiplied by, okay, multiplied by the factor we have to consider. So C value we have to consider here, and here also the C value is we have to consider. So C value, what was the C value? 1.5 for BA, and CD for it was 1. So C value we have to write here 1.5, here we have to consider 1. Okay, so the formula is first iterated value, okay, first iterated value into 1.5 into 1.5, this C value we have to consider. Okay, then in that second part is that next is this minus 3.52, that is minus 3.52. okay, minus 3.52, this value we have to consider, multiplied by is respective C value we have to consider. Okay, respective C value we have to consider, and then plus 0. This already moment is 0, so we have to consider moment as 0. Okay, and then this value multiplied by respective this column factor minus 0.8 से इसको multiply करेंगे. So let us see what will be the answer. Okay, so let us see that, we have to see that. So 3.2 multiplied by 1.5, okay, 3.2 into 1.5 minus 3.52 into 1, so it will be equal to 1.28 multiplied by minus 0.8, it will be equal to minus 1.042, is equal to minus 1.024, minus 1.024. Okay, if okay, if divided by minus 0.8, तो it will be equal to 1.28 आ गया. ठीक है, अब इसको फिर मल्टीप्लाइड करेंगे ये वाली वैल्यू से, तो इनटू नहीं ये आ गया. ओके, मल्टीप्लाइड में माइनस 0.4, तो इट विल बी इक्वल टू minus 0.512 will be the answer. Okay, this is the first value. Now second part we have to consider second value. For second value what we have to do, 4.89 multiplied by 1.5, this is the first value, 4.89 into 1.5. in second case minus 3.97 into 1 plus 0 into minus 0. Multiple minus 0.8. so let us see that. Okay, so 4.89 multiplied by 1.5 minus, okay, minus 3.97 into 1, so it will be equal to this multiplied by minus 0.8, equal to minus 2.69, it is equal to minus 2.69. so here it will be minus 2.69. okay, okay, divided by minus 0.8, तो ये आ गया 3.37. 4.89 into 1.5 minus 3.97 into 1, okay, multiplied by minus 0.4, this is the second value, that will equal to minus 1.34, minus 1.34. okay, so just like this we have to multiply this. The next is 4.89 हो गया, the next is 5.10, then 5.10 into 1.5 minus, next is minus 3.97 multiplied by 1 plus 0, okay, into minus 0.8. The first value 5.1 into 1.5 minus 3.97, okay, 3.97 multiply minus 0.8, that will be equal to minus 2.94. 2.94 will be the answer, okay. And if you divide by minus 0.8, so it will be multiplied by minus 0.4, so it will be equal to minus 1.47. Again same value is there, 5.10, 3.97, so answer will be minus 2.94, and here minus 1.47. The final value be equal to 2.97, okay, 2.97 and 1.47. So like this we have to consider this value. Now finally we have to calculate the final moment, okay. So final moment, the formula for final moment will be equal to final moment, okay, final moment. So final moment will be equal to, okay, m of AB. M of AB equal to, first of all fixed end moment we have to write, fixed end moment, then 2 times, okay, सपोर्ट मोमेंट जो सेम मोमेंट था, प्लस 1 टाइम फार एंड मोमेंट वी हैव टू कंसीडर, देन सी एम यानी कॉलम मोमेंट वी हैव टू कंसीडर, दैट इज़ द फाइनल आंसर. तो ए बी में अगर आप देखेंगे तो ए बी में आपका ए और बी, ए बी के अंदर में आपका कितना था, फिक्स्ड एंड मोमेंट 0 था ऑलरेडी, प्लस 2 टाइम इसका खुद का सेल्फ मोमेंट कितना है, ओके, इसका खुद का सेल्फ मोमेंट कितना है, यहाँ पे इतना मोमेंट कितना था, 0 था, तो ये 0 ऑलरेडी था, प्लस 1 टाइम फार एंड मोमेंट कितना आया, 5.10, तो 5.10 आ गया, प्लस कॉलम मोमेंट कितना आया इसका, ओके, कॉलम का मोमेंट कितना आया इसमें, कॉलम का मोमेंट आया इसका ये, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2.94, तो दैट इज माइनस 2.94 इज द फाइनल कॉलम मोमेंट. वी हैव टू कंसिडर दिस मोमेंट एज अ फाइनल कॉलम मोमेंट. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी द आंसर. 2, okay, plus 5.10, 2 plus 5.10, okay, minus 2.94, so that will be equal to 4.16 will be the answer. उसी तरीके से m of BA, इफ़ यू कंसिडर m of BA, सो BA जब कंसिडर करेंगे तो BA में कितना मोमेंट था, 0 था, 2 टाइम्स इसमें अब इसका खुद का मोमेंट कितना था, प्लस 5.10, ओके, प्लस 1 टाइम फार एंड मोमेंट कितना था, 0 था, प्लस उसमें कॉलम का मोमेंट कितना है, 2.94 ही है, ठीक है, 2.94. अब कितना आ रहा है ये देखेंगे आप इसमें, 2 इंटू 5.1, ओके, प्लस 1, ओके, माइनस 2.94, so that will be equal to 8.26 will be the answer, okay. So 2 into 5.10 plus 1 minus 2.94, okay. Now m of BC we have to consider, m of BC, moment of BC. तो BC में मोमेंट कितना था, BC में आपका मोमेंट था इसमें माइनस 26.67, ओके, प्लस 2 टाइम्स इसका खुद का कितना आ रहा, 13.16 आ रहा फाइनल मोमेंट, ओके, खुद का सेल्फ मोमेंट आ गया, प्लस 1 टाइम उसके अगेंस्ट वाला कितना आया, माइनस 15.88 आ गया, ओके, ये आ गया मोमेंट 15.88 आ गया, प्लस अब इसके अंदर में BC में कितना कंसीडर करेंगे, 0 कंसीडर करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इसमें कॉलम में नहीं आता. BC विल बी ट्रीटेड एज कॉलम, विल बी ट्रीटेड एज अ बीम. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी द आंसर. माइनस 26.67 प्लस 2 इंटू 13.16, ओके, minus 15.88, so it is equal to 16.23. It is equal to 16.23 will be the answer, V and BC. Okay, 2.16, 16.23 will be the final answer for this. 17.8. 4 hours. Here it will be equal to 13 points. Now consider the next part, that is m of CB. M of CB 26.67 plus 2 times minus 15.88, okay, plus 1 time 13.16, okay, plus 0. So ये कितना आएगा 26.67 plus 2 into minus 15.88, okay, plus 13.16. Final answer is 8.07. So 8.07 will be the answer. Okay, MCB. But why MBC will not come same? Okay, let us see that. 8.07 CB आ गया. Okay, now MCD. M of CD we have to consider. M of CD, this is 0 plus 2 times इसमें minus 3.97 plus 1 time far end 0 plus minus 1.47. Okay, so 2 into minus 3.97 plus minus 1.47, so it will be equal to minus 9.41 will be the answer. B and BC, CB and CD, CB and CD minus 9.14, 9.14 will be the answer. Okay, so there will be some minor difference will be there. Okay, we have to see that. Okay.